I found a new Solana DEX which is offering one of the best prices on the Solana ecosystem, and I want to share it today with you. And the project is called HumidiFi. It's in prop AMM, which is a great gadget for all Solana traders. And I want to show you how you can benefit from it, how you can get exposure on it, and many more. If you want more Solana content, leave me a like and follow this channel. So let's get into the data. HumidiFi is the #1 DEX on Solana by volume, processing over $1 billion in daily volume and accounting for over 40% of spot volume for the last 3 months. That's huge, and it is coming out of nowhere. So like half a year ago, this project wasn't even public yet, and now it's covering the biggest part of the Solana DEX volume, which is pretty incredible. It is the premier prop AMM, and a prop AMM means basically a proprietary automated market maker, which is a custom liquidity engine built by a specific DEX. So it's not like a public liquidity, it's also called sometimes dark AMM. And in short, HumidiFi developed an algorithm which is better in stable pricing, better in lower spreads, and better in capital efficiency, which is also why they are handling so much volume, because it's just the cheapest way live right now. How you can use it is very simple. If you, for example, want to trade on Jupiter aggregator, you get on jup.ag and then you see this market function where you can swap USDC for Solana, for example. Here on the swap settings, if you choose manual, you can see that there down below, there's the AMM sources. And this swap settings allows you basically to always find the best execution and is optimizing between price success, math protection, and slippage. Which basically means that most of the time, if you trade, it's anyways choosing HumidiFi because it's just offering the best rates. But in case you want to just support this one project, you can go to manual, AMM sources, disable all, and then scroll to HumidiFi, click on only, and now you're using the AMM of HumidiFi. So in case we want to sell $1 million worth of Solana, for example, to buy a nice new house, we receive the best spread available, which is nearly zero. So it's basically an awesome rate to swap $1 million worth of Solana instantly for maybe $100 or $200. So that's basically nothing compared to others. If we, for example, want to choose, for example, OneDex, Aldrin, Alpha IQ, Boop, BuyReals, Grammar, Krupa, DeFi Tuna, I don't know, we get such a bad root of 50%. So just to compare how good HumidiFi's prop AMM is. So it's pretty insane. And right now, I was also wondering myself, because they have no website. I was thinking about how I can get more information about this project, but there's nothing live yet. So basically their link in their X is the DeFi Llama protocol stats, because it speaks for itself. HumidiFi has the highest DEX volume in the last 24 hours, the highest DEX volume in the last 7 days, and the highest DEX volume in the last month for the whole Solana blockchain. Only on one chain, and this is quite incredible. But how can you benefit from it? Like, is there any ICO or anything how you can be a part of HumidiFi, for example? I like their highlighted tweets. One of them is the answer on the question, who are you guys and how does one gain exposure? So this person wanted to gain exposure of HumidiFi. Basically the answer was soon. Also, a few weeks later, Jupiter announced that the HumidiFi ICO will be the first ICO on their DTF platform, which means that soon there will be an ICO where you can get exposure of HumidiFi. Pretty interesting, pretty good marketing, to be honest. I am very excited. I think that their Let's Get Wet also is a pretty smart marketing tool. And this is also another chart. So here you can see the distribution of the trading volume. 61% is HumidiFi. Pretty insane. So right now, anything you can do is just be patient for their ICO. For more information about HumidiFi, follow them on X, activate the push notifications so you don't miss out on anything. And if you use Jupiter, if you want to support HumidiFi, choose HumidiFi. If not, anyways, you're probably trading with HumidiFi because they offer the best trading experience. And how they do this is also through their actively managed liquidity in AMM. So that's why they can also offer less slippage than traditional AMMs, for example. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of HumidiFi, and see you soon.